First day in our new flat. I was a bit nervous actually because I don't know the others that well. Or we met at the student party. I mean, I've met Claudia first. She's really cool. And she knew Alicia and Emma from the introduction at their uni. We go to different ones. I study fashion design and they study more academic studies. So yeah, they found this note with someone wanting to rent the apartment to 4 students in the center, and they needed one more. So yay! Here I am with 3 strangers and a really weird landlady. I don't understand why she wanted students to live at her apartment, because she didn't seem pleased at all. Like, no boys, no music, no breathing. She had this blue door that's locked, and I don't know, very weird. Anyway, I hope we all get along well. We set up these rules, but what if someone doesn't follow them? Claudia and Alicia are easy to talk to, but we had this incident when we picked our rooms. Emma didn't see my bags in the doorway. I'm sure she saw them, actually. She just liked the room better. But I didn't want to create any conflicts on the first day because, I don't know. But she didn't seem to care. She just took it. Should I have made a fuss? Like telling her off or something? She should have given me back the room when she saw I was so hurt. How do I stand up to a person like that?